I'm Susie the Phoenix. Let's do some numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They're pretty easy. The easiest Chinese characters to write. Let's count number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 strokes. The strokes is the line of each character. 4. 4. Look like a shape, perhaps a window with curtains in. 4. Let's count how many strokes in number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 strokes. One is a corner strokes will count as 1. 4, 5. Okay, perhaps it looks like a scooter, my students usually say. Okay, 5. Let's have a look. You notice some of the intonation on Chinese accent. They usually on the vowel. The 4 possible sounds. Let's practice. The W is wu sound. U is wu sound as well. The base sound is wu. The accent changes in different Chinese words. That's after me. Wu is flat. Wu consistent. Okay, when the first accent. The second one goes up. Wu. 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 It's got the third accent. Sounds like well. Okay, goes down and up. The last one is sharp. Wu. Wu. Okay, 4 together. Wu. 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 So it's got third accent for 5. So it's wu. Okay, let's count number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 strokes in number 5. 5, 6. L is sound the same as English. IU is yo sound always. And again, 4th accent. So 6. Let's count number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. So far we have 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7. Q is CH sound. Qi. E always the same as E sound. Okay. Qi. 1, 2. 7 look like T. 8. Okay. B, A. 8. First accent consistent. 8. The A is R sound always. Okay, so ER. 8. 9. Okay, 9 and 6 similar. You got IU sound, but here is third accent. 9. Okay, count number 9. 1, 2. Okay, 9 looks like a hook. 9. Okay, we have 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Okay, last one, number 10. 10. Okay, 10 and number 4 similar. 10 got CHI. The E doesn't sound with SH and with S, the second accent. So 10. Number 4 is 4 and 10 is 10. Okay, 10 is quite easy, so go 1 and 2, 10. Okay, that's all the numbers so far. Okay, now we can think about the accent on top. 1, 2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。Okay, 4 and 10. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and press the bell for notifications. If you have any questions, I will happily answer them in the comment below. See you next time.